Thanks for watching, dancers. If you want to learn that dance, I've made a separate video where I break it down step by step. I'll pop the link in the comments below, and happy dancing.